Good medical morning. This is Watson with a little information about open comedones, which are open skin pores or hair follicles clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. Let's look at some examples of open comedones. So how do I get rid of open and closed comedones? I use a comedone extractor tool. I'll put a link below to the best professional toolkit on Amazon, and it's under 15 bucks, and also offers Amazon Prime. So check it out with the link below. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.